In School of Pharmacy, teaching learning methodologies are to a larger extent student oriented. We try to make the subject clear and easy so that the students can apply their conceptual knowledge in the application oriented questions. For this to happen, we give lots of day-to-day examples which the students might have experienced. Because once they do that, they will do very well in the examinations.
In all the teaching process, the facility plays a very important role. The School of Pharmacy campus itself gives lot of energy to the students to stay tuned up and provide positive learning environment. Acoustic classroom, excellent audiovisual setup helps me to reach to the students' mind and keep students always motivated. All the laboratories are well equipped with the modern equipments which help students to clear their theoretical concepts and keep students updated.
Here in pharmaceutical chemistry, we have facilities like potentiometers, conductivity meters, hot plates, magnetic stirrers, and many more. These facilities provided in the laboratories of chemistry and analysis make the students easier to perform their sets of experiments. These are well equipped with safety measures like fire extinguishers, the fire blankets, the sand buckets, and so on.
Students also get a comprehensive knowledge about drug profile as well as the precautionary measures which are to be taken while using these drugs. This explore our students to the community as well as hospital pharmacy practice in a dynamic way.
In days to come, we will be upcoming with highly sophisticated high-end instruments like the parallel synthesizer, the flash chromatographies, and so on, which will add a research flavor to the School of Pharmacy. Moreover, we are also planning to have a setup of drug designing facility wherein researchers of various streams and various facilities can take utmost advantage in the arena of drug discovery.
So here in the D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, we conduct parallelly with the academics lot of additional lectures where we call the industry experts, where they deliver their content, and because of which the students are really updated with the current affairs happening in the industry, and because of which I find the D.Y. Patil University is one of the best university to grow in the field of pharmacy.
This brand is a national brand which is accepted all over India. Nowhere in Mumbai, pharmacy college is attached to a hospital, wherein here in this campus we have that facility and we'll be surely taking advantage of that.
We have MBBS College, School of Medicine. Just beside and School of Pharmacy, we are having an Ayurveda college. Then we have simulation laboratory. These are the things which are very important in order to develop the research oriented culture in the students and to explore them in the practical way. So this is how our students can get a benefit during as well as after their graduation. And D.Y. Patil is the brand which has a collaboration with many pharma sectors companies. There are various collaborations which they have already made. So definitely, as from the placement of point of view or job opportunities, definitely it will give it will be much superior as compared to the other institutes.
In short, here at School of Pharmacy, we are committed to provide the best teaching techniques and excellent facilities, making the students' pathway easier towards success.
Come and join D.Y. Patil School of Pharmacy to excel and grow in the field of pharmacy.